Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Trayon, like crayon. If you say it that way, you won't forget it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I went from zero to nearly $15,000 in just 2 months. I'll show you how it works. I'll show you the process. I'll show you the product that I promoted that made me nearly $15,000. And I'll show you the funnel builder I use. First of all, what am I? Well, I'm an affiliate marketer. What's affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote a product or service for another company and you get paid commissions based off the sales generated from the traffic that you send. When you apply to become an affiliate, you're given a special link that's called an affiliate link, and you promote that link. This link is specific to you. Now, there are a few things that you'll need to get started with affiliate marketing, but don't worry, all of this is free. First thing you're going to need is a good high-ticket front-end offer. The second thing you'll need is a good back-end offer that complements your front-end offer. You'll need value-based content, you'll need a sales funnel, and you'll need an autoresponder. What's a sales funnel? A sales funnel is the journey through a series of web pages that your potential customer will go through before making an actual purchase. A sales funnel consists of a landing page or opt-in page, a bridge page, an affiliate sales page, and an upsell page. How does it work? Well, it's simple. I'll show you on this diagram. First thing you want to do is drive traffic from TikTok. That's the free traffic source. You'll create value-based content, and then you'll make sure you have a strong call to action at the end of each of your videos. Something like, click the link in my bio, or swipe left to learn more. Now, the link in your bio is going to lead to the landing page, or the opt-in page. The opt-in page is going to consist of a little bit of information about the affiliate product. And this is also where you're going to collect the name and email. Once you collect their name and email, it's going to add them to an emailing list. And we'll talk more about that a little later. Then they'll head to the next step in the sales funnel, which is the bridge page. The bridge page is more about the affiliate product, and here's where you're going to warm them up to the idea of actually having that affiliate product. Your affiliate link is also embedded here on this bridge page. And then they head to the next step in the sales funnel, which is the affiliate sales page. Now that they're at the affiliate sales page, your job is done. You don't have to do anything else because the affiliate company is going to take it from here. Some of the best perks to being an affiliate marketer is you don't have to hold any inventory. You don't actually have to sell anything, and you don't have to deal with customer service. All you're doing is promoting a product that you know and you trust. Now, when they get to the affiliate sales page, the affiliate will most likely have some sort of an upsell page. And once again, this isn't on you. This is all on the affiliate company. Most good offers will convert. So all you have to do is really make sure you have a good high-end offer that converts well. The upsell is also considered a back-end offer, and this is where you could potentially make more money. Now, onto the email sequence. The email sequence is the difference between making a few sales and making thousands of sales. Another purpose of the email sequence is that some people may not purchase right away. Some people may need a little more time to think about it, and some people may just need a little bit more information, and that's okay. The email sequence is there to remind them, keep nudging them just a little bit more to make a decision. And also, you're able to offer different products through an email sequence. And the best part about an email sequence is it's all automated. And they don't take sick days, they don't take holidays, so they work year-round for you. Here's the process. In the process, we start with TikTok. I suggest starting a brand new TikTok page, starting from zero. Don't start a business TikTok. Start a creator TikTok. That's the first thing you'll do. The second thing you'll do is post consistently. Not only do you want to post consistently, you want to post value-based content consistently. You want to provide as much value as you possibly can. Consistency and value is going to be the combination that helps you grow a following as quickly as possible. It doesn't take any special skills to do it either. You just got to know your audience. You got to know your audience problems, and you just got to know how to solve them. You also want to create something eye-catchy. You want to create something trendy, and you want to be sure that you have a strong call to action. Something like, click the link in my bio, or follow me to learn how. After clicking the link, they'll head to the opt-in page, or the landing page. Here, we tease the offer a little bit. For example, how to earn money online, or how to start a business. Now they're just going to enter their name and their email. Once they put in their name and their email, they'll head to this bridge page. This is an example of a bridge page that I created. This is the last step before they actually hit the affiliate offer. Here's where I'm going to add a little bit more about the affiliate offer. And just below is where your affiliate link is going to be also. I'm going to show you the product that I promote that actually allowed me to make nearly $15,000 in 2 months, and you're about to see it now. Once they click on the affiliate link, they're brought here to the affiliate page. This is the affiliate page product, and it's Legendary Marketer with Dave Sharp. The reason I chose Legendary Marketer is because it converts very well. It's a very hot offer, all right? They have so much value. It's a step-by-step guide on how you can start a business in just 15 days and literally not having any prior knowledge. And not only are you starting a business, you're starting a very profitable business. I went through the challenge myself, and I say this from experience because in those 15 days, I learned so much more. I didn't think that I was going to receive the amount of information that I received through this, but those 15 days were definitely worth it. Like I said, it takes you through a very, very detailed 15-day process on how to start an online business without any previous knowledge. Here you could also have a video on how this product changed your life, or whatever product you're promoting, you'll have a video on how it changed your life. It's important that you use real life examples because it makes you more relatable, and people connect better when they can relate to you. Once they click the link, they head off to the affiliate page. Your job is done, and the company now does the rest. Now, the affiliate product. The 15-day business builder challenge. Now, the reason I chose this as my affiliate product is because, like I said, I went through the 15-day business builder challenge. I know how valuable it is, and I know that it is a really good product. The challenge itself is only $7. They'll offer some more products down the line, and these are their back-end offers. And these offers range from $7 to $2,500. They offer a 40% commission, and that means if someone purchases the product for $2,500, 40% of that is $1,000. All it takes is one sale to make $1,000. And if they purchase the $7 product now and come back later on to purchase the higher price product, you'll still make a commission off of that. It was that simple. That's how I was able to earn nearly $15,000 in just 2 months. Just 10 sales of Legendary Marketer's high-ticket product is $10,000. Since Legendary Marketer does such a great job of converting, 10 sales a month, not hard to come by at all. If you wanted to get started with Legendary Marketer as your affiliate partner, I would highly recommend it. I'll also leave a link below. Now, I will say this, in order to be accepted into the Legendary Marketer affiliate program, you are going to have to go through the 15-day business builder challenge. But let me tell you, like I said before, it is completely worth it. But if you are a complete beginner and you do the challenge, it will teach you exactly how to get started, and it's packed with value. Like I said, I'll leave you a link to get started. The funnel builder. Now, the funnel builder that I use, it's 100% free. It's called systeme.io. It's very effective. The free version is limited, but like I said, it's very effective. So effective that you'll want to upgrade to unlock all of its potential. This same funnel is the same funnel that's generated me nearly $15,000 in just 2 months. If you go through the 15-day challenge and you decide to become an affiliate marketer, you're going to need a sales funnel. Also, systeme.io is one of my back-end offers. This is the best free option available that I've found. Another great thing about systeme.io is once you sign up with them, you can become an affiliate and you can get recurring commissions. This is how you make residual income and maximize your monthly income potential. That's all there is to it. The very steps I used to earn nearly $15,000 in just 2 months. I showed you the traffic method that I use, TikTok. I showed you the funnel steps and how they work. I showed you my front end offer and I showed you my back end offer. You still may be a little confused on how to put this all together, but since you stayed to the end, I got something just for you. If you really want to get started with affiliate marketing, then click the link below and copy my pre-built sales funnel. It's all done for you. You don't have to use the same affiliate product, but you can. But I do strongly suggest going through the 15-day business builder challenge. It's extremely packed with great value. I mean, tons of great value. Plus, they're really great partners to work with. I'm also going to give you the exact emails I use in my autoresponder. You just copy and paste. Then you switch out my affiliate links with your affiliate links. Like I said, just click on the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Hit that like button and subscribe. See you next time.